sides up. Let's extrude it. Gonna extrude the sides, okay, Dick?
Don't forget the shiny part. What's up, YouTube? This is high quality. Check this out. And scene.
Groof is cool. Oh, there's Groof. Hey, Groof. How's the day? Has Groof had a rough day?
Yeah, he's all over the patio. I cannot believe how good I got these cleaned up.
I
I use
can't
that
believe.
stuff I use in the parts washer.
Oh,
Mom,
they're very
You
nice.
should have saw them when I first got them. They were literally black.
Can I hold you that? Oh, yeah.
Don't be afraid. You're not going to hurt any of that stuff. There you go. It's kind of like Legos.
Son.
Just way more expensive.
Son.
Actually,
Okay, line it up
sometimes
straight.
you have to use your other hand and wiggle this so it gets on all the way.
Okay.
Yep. Push it in. Perfect. There's one wheel. 3 more to go. See, now all I really wanted to do is bleed the brakes, clean the wheels. Nope, keep going. It's just the first one that's like that a little bit.
Ah. Is that what it's? This?
Yep, go to the next one. Yeah, I don't think the first wheels I ever put on were like a $10,000 set like these ones are.
Should I go again here?
I mean, they're not now, but
Will I go again here?
which one do you want to do? It actually doesn't matter. It could be this one or this one. It just can't be next to it.
This one.
Yep. You just never do the one next to it,
Okay.
or the wheel will be crooked.
Yep.
Done.
Yeah.
Now which one? Yep. That's called a torque sequence.
Here. Is one sound again here?
That's why I like that impact, because I can turn it down really low. Because if I had that up all the way, that would literally snap those bolts in half.
Yeesh.
And it'd probably break his wrist.
Done.
Yep. Do you hear the difference? When it's done, how loud it gets?
Yeah. Will you do it on the extra long or the extra tight?
It actually won't do anything more. It's the way I have it set up right now. There's a different tool for that I'll show you. So we can make it exactly how tight we want it to be. It's called a torque. This is just so we don't have to do it all by hand like a peasant. Here, assistant. You do the front too, or are you done?
Want to.
Let's do it then. What are you doing?
Do it.
Get a tire. What are you doing? What are you waiting for? We got road trips to do.
I have no idea, bro.
What are you doing?
Using this to screw I'm using the impact to screw in with this, because if you do it wrong, you have to do it a certain way, because if you do it wrong, it'll be quick and it won't work, and it's how it fall off. Yes.
And you'll die.
Yeah, let me lie. So, and this is the first one. After the first one, you probably don't know which one's next. So you can do either one of these. You just can't do it on the next to it. Do this one, go down, down, down. If you do this one, go down, down, down. So, like this. It falls off like that. Boom. Pull out. But hardest way is to get on. It's kind of hard. Just push on like this. Quick swing. I'm doing this one next. How I tell difference is that it's clicking. You see at first it's a little bit click. Like the last is a loud click. How I tell difference is the little click is not that it's not that loud. Like the big click is so loud. As you can tell difference. Look on Groof here. There's a Groof's face right there. They can't move. So there's Groof's face. Check out his face. It's weird. Kind of weird, but he's out to do the building. Weird people. Also go to this, it's the hardest continent on the planet. I don't know, because it means that's my mom just told me. But we got a lot of chickens over there in the pen, and it's kind of weird. I don't know if the chickens have chickens and ducks. And we have made a little pool for ducks. It's pretty fun. And it's I
Groofy Poo is coming back together. We're going to actually do something to the inside. We made some high quality $30 door panels. And the artists are going to draw something that resembles something of the imagination of a 6 and 7 year old. So that'll be interesting. A couple more wires this thing should run. Yes, there's only door handles on one side because rat rot spec. Let's do it. So as you can tell and listen, it's running smoothly on all 6. Never done that before, huh, Audrey?
What?
So finished the MS-43 conversion, found a shitload of vacuum leaks, so that was probably most of the problem. The throttle body, if you remember from last year, was completely dicked. Listen to that. Wait till you hear us ripping some titties. She's gonna be real fast now. It has never in its existence ever run smoothly.
Yeah, because we fixed it!
That's my brake steering wheel holder. Let's go. Well, howdy fuckers. Just got done putting the old ripper tippers on. As talked about, this super complicated 2-to-1 to 1-to-2 muffler system because this thing's stupid, fucking loud and annoying. So it's just a little tweaked because the craftsmanship of first version was pretty horrible. I don't have a lot of time, but good enough. Safety first, hot AF. She's basically straight piped with a muffler. Let's go check that out. First fire up on new exhaust. Still have a few runnability issues to go over, but so much quieter. Let's go driver.